Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm filming on my phone downstairs, so I might look and sound a little bit different to usual, but this just arrived in the post and I thought I'd do a little unboxing for you because I'm not sure when I'd be able to sit down and properly film. So this is the Asos August box and it costs £18. It contains 6 beauty items. It has a value of £51. I'll pop a link to the box down below in my description, as well as all the other limited edition beauty boxes Asos currently have on their website as well. There's some previous boxes that I've brought back, and if I can find any discount codes and offers, then you'll find it all listed down there. This is not a subscription. Asos have been doing these limited edition one-off boxes for a couple of years now. So there's a little sneak peek. You get a little card, these products, and it just tells you a little bit about the products. It says, if your summer's full of exciting events, then it's time to top up your beauty drawer with must-have products handpicked by our buyers. This month, our box has everything you need for all your plans, including makeup essentials for your sun-kissed looks and rescue remedies for your summer skin. So first up, it says, let's start with protecting your pout. Cue the Hello Sunday, the one for your lip balm. With a factor 50 formulation, this hydrating lip balm is essential for getting vitamin D without the risk of sunburn. So this is a new product for me. I haven't tried this one before. It contains shea butter and hyaluronic acid, and I think it's clear. Let's have a look. There's no point me put it on my hand. It's just like a little clear gel there. Got an SPF 50 lip balm by Hello Sunday. Next, got a mascara. Applying Volumizing Rimmel Thrill Seeker Extreme Mascara. Give your evening look some drama. So it looks like, again, a new product for me. I haven't tried this. The one doesn't look like it's got a lot of product on there. A little bit on the dry. Well, it's not dry. You can see it's wet. But I really like a wet looking wand, only because I've got hardly any eyelashes. I'm not wearing false eyelashes now, I've got quite like natural makeup on. You could probably tell I haven't got hardly any eyelashes, and that is with mascara on. So yeah, I like my mascara to be a little bit gloopy, just so that I can get a lot of coverage on my lashes and then I can brush through them. We'll see anyway, it looks a decent enough wand. Did I show you? There. See, it's not dry, it's just, yeah, we'll see. Next up, we've got an Urban Decay all-nighter setting spray. This is a little travel mini, long-lasting makeup setting spray, all-day wear, temperature control, technology, and it's lightweight. There's 15 mils here, so a perfect little one to pop in your bag. And unfortunately, for me, it's not sweat-proof. It is brilliant at keeping my makeup on, long-lasting, but unfortunately, I sweat like anything from my forehead. And it can't stop that. It can't stop that. It's a long-standing issue with me. My son's just come home, so if you can... Oh, there he is. If you can hear like pitter-patter, it's the dog. We're really excited to see him. Thankfully, she's not barking. But anyway, hopefully she'll calm down now. It's a brilliant setting spray. It's one of my favourite setting sprays, and I've been using it for years. But yeah, it does not... prevent sweat, unfortunately. Next up, we got something for your hair. This is by Olaplex. This is the Olaplex No. 9 Serum, infused with antioxidant-rich red algae extract and bond-building technology. It will bring dull or damaged hair back to life. I have received this in a few different boxes, and it is nice. I've got hair extensions in my hair. I've got tape-in extensions, so I like putting creams and serums. Just run it through the ends, especially if I just wash my hair and leave it naturally. It goes a little bit wavy. It can go a little bit frizzy. So yeah, so I've got another one now. Next, we've got the Ordinary. And this is AHA 30% and BHA 2%. This is a peeling solution. It will revive your skin and give it the exfoliation treatment it deserves. This is full size. There's 30 mils here. You have to be really careful with this. I've used it a long while ago and I really liked it, but it's quite a powerful peeling solution, as the name suggests. It contains acids, so if you're new to acids, there's nothing to worry about. It's just you might find it'll bring like some redness to the skin. It might be a little bit more tingly, but it's just until your skin gets used to it. Plus, you've become more sun sensitive, so you'd need to apply like SPF like the following day after you use it. You apply it to your skin, you leave it on your skin for 10 minutes, and to start off with, you'd only use it like once a week, and then you can build it up to twice. You wouldn't do more than twice a week. We've got an exfoliation peeling solution by The Ordinary. And last up, we've got Magic Cream by Charlotte Tilbury. And this is enriched with hyaluronic acid. It provides intense hydration and locks in moisture for a plump appearance. Now this is a little sample, it is. So this is, what is it? It's about 5 mils. No, it's 7 mils. It's a nice cream. It's particularly good if you have got dry skin. The Magic Cream does come in a light version as well, which I actually prefer for my combination skin, but I still use this. I do get this a lot in different beauty boxes and I still use it, but I tend to use it more so coming into like the autumn, winter months. And there you go. Those are all the products in this month's Asos beauty box. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you buy it for yourself? Or are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. And I'll see you in my next video when I'll be filming back upstairs with my big camera. So I'll see you then. Take care. Bye.